Principle of success number 16. Always appeal to the nobler motive. Whenever we are doing something, there are two reasons behind it. One is the real reason, and the second reason is the reason that we want to believe is the actual reason. So people usually have a nobler motive of doing something, and then there is the actual reason of doing something. For example, if somebody is helping someone and they are very poor, then there might be a nobler reason for why he is doing it, but there might also be another reason because he or she knows that by helping them, I'll be appeared as a good person in front of others. So don't get too blatant, don't get too in your face. Instead, you can walk up to that person and you can tell them that we want your support and your help in helping other persons, instead of saying something too rude in their face. So whenever you are dealing with a person, always appeal to the nobler side of the motives instead of the real side of the motives. Why? Because human beings, they tend to respond more positively when there is a nobler side of motives. Another example is when you have given your house on rent, and the person you have rented the house to comes up to you and says that I have to leave 2 months before without any prior notice. So you can say that, oh no, you have an agreement with me and you cannot leave. Or you can also say to that person that I know you are a responsible person, I know you are an upstanding citizen, and I know how much people honor you, and I know that as an honorable person you will not do this thing, even though you know that you have an agreement as well for which you can sue that person as well. But because you are appealing to his or her nobler motive, then there is a higher chance that that person will respond instead of responding to different pressure or threats. Thank you.